Hey guys and gals, Tom Banana, y'all are nowadays. It's your boy back with another YouTube video, and today's video is a breakfast mukbang. I got bacon and eggs, and I got a little zero sugar Coke sugar. Before we get to the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, let's get it in. Dear Lord, thanks for this food, gonna be nourish my body, and use my pray, amen. Ooh, I felt that. Y'all, this is gonna be so good, and don't mind my clothes or my hair a little bit. I mean, I did a little something with my hair. I wetted it, but don't mind the clothes, cause you know I'm fitting the theme of me being breakfast, because these are my sleeping clothes. They're good. Let me see what the bacon's talking about. But this good. My hand wasn't dirty. Cut. Y'all, this is so good. Y'all, I've been shifting it up recently, cause I don't know what to think, but my food has been so good recently that I've been cooking. I made some what was it? Monday I made lettuce wrap tacos. Them was too good. And then, y'all, I don't know why I just did this, but sometimes I do got things with my hand. And you see, I make some chicken and broccoli. That was too good. So have y'all been? I hope y'all having a good summer, cause sadly summer is coming to an end. I mean, it's not at the end, but it's like y'all know that feeling when y'all finna go back to school and you're like, y'all want to go to school, but at the same time you don't want to. I mean, I ain't really want to go there for, you know, that's a lot I could say for the people, but like, y'all know how it be. But my friends, like, I mean, see them, like, I feel a bit fun, but it's like, I gotta go to school for like, what, 8 months? With like a few breaks here in between. That's a little too much for me. Y'all know, say like, nah, my mukbang, thank y'all so much for the support, cause my last video was doing real good, and then people just been subscribing. I'm like, okay, I'm glad. I'm thankful for y'all showing all the support. Y'all, I'm over here acting like a teacher something about something. Yeah, so how do y'all feel about the whole situation with Keke Palmer and her boyfriend? Cause me personally, I feel like, I mean, I don't see nothing wrong with what she was wearing. And cause I've always heard some stuff about him and his past and stuff, but I'm a little late to the subject, but it's like, boy, you doing a little too much. I saw something with a paparazzi. They was being a little too messy for me. Keke Palmer, she was getting out her vehicle. I mean, talking about some, has Darius apologized to you? It's like, I gotta go. Like, I would be telling y'all my business either, because my niggas, if y'all got a whole baby, well, I'll just take your relationship stuff to, like, on the like, to the internet. Like, you could've waited till she got back and be like, hey, I didn't like this. You know, talk it out, B. No, and talk it out. Y'all, I'm trying to get a little too far. I ate my food too fast. But yeah. Yeah, I think I ate my food too fast, and now I'm starting to get a little too full. So, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. And just like boom, boom, boom.